I wish I could say I woke up like this, but I didn't. It took 24 hours of workouts, spa treatments, blowouts, and full glam. Welcome to Luxury Wellness my way, and don't forget to subscribe. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to another vlog. This is a fun one. It is Friday. It is 2 days before this vlog is going up, and we have a very fun, jam-packed 24 hours. I don't know if this is gonna work here. What is going on today? This is a 24-hour glow up. We're doing everything except for the nails because, by the way, I'm taking the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother Leave-In Treatment, and I'm mixing it with the Oribe Eternal Curls Oil. This is like a new curl line that they actually recently launched, and I've been loving it. This oil is very thick. What also makes this video so fun is that I've been invited to a luxury wellness staycation today and tomorrow. It's being put on by this gym in my city called House Concepts. It's like a strength training, Pilates, they do boxing, they do all that kind of stuff, and they're doing it in partnership with the Fairmont Pacific Rim. So we're doing that today and tomorrow. I'm taking you guys all along with me. It's gonna be workouts, it's gonna be blowouts, it's gonna be a dinner, it's gonna be all of these different things. I deserve a touch of luxury in my life today. I'm actually running behind, so we're just gonna do our skincare together, sped up. Cute. Love that lip combo. We're fully packed. We have our carry-on and we have this heavy duffel. You would think I'm going somewhere for multiple days. Okay, I feel like my outfit's very cute today, but Mobina is literally downstairs, so I'm gonna break it all down for you when we get there.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog. And you would think that we're going away for multiple days, but no, it's literally just one night. The thing is, no matter if you're going for one night, you need options first of all. But no matter if you're going for one night or 10 nights, you still need one of everything that you own. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Like you still need your hair curler, you still need your makeup. It doesn't
matter how long you're leaving for.
It doesn't matter.
You still need the same thing.
You need the same
essentials,
thing.
Yeah.
Exactly. So we will be overpacked, always. It's just a given. Open the door to the room and wow, I want to give you a tour, but first I want to give you my outfit. This is my look for the day. I'm wearing this t-shirt from Reformation. I wear it multiple times a week. Just wanted something very simple and casual. These jeans are Levi's. These are the barrel jeans. I feel like I also wear these very often. There's this thing called baggy blindness, and I'm trying to understand it because I only really wear baggy pants. I want to start wearing more straight leg jeans and pants, but I just don't love that silhouette on myself. I'm trying to find the right fit for me, but in the meantime, love a baggy barrel jean like this. This belt is from Jolie. Jolie's one of my closest friends, but he had a clothing brand called Jolie. I don't think he sells these anymore. Loafers are from GH Bass. Again, these are loafers that I wear all the time. And then you guys, the star of the show is this trench coat from Burberry. It is a vintage Burberry from 1990. I got it, I think 2 vlogs ago, you would have seen, but it's just very oversized, slouchy. I think it's a little too oversized, like when I close it up. It's definitely not my size, but I love the look for just like an open, everyday type of jacket. In terms of my luggage, my bag matches my jacket perfectly. It is from Dagny Dover. I think that's how you call it. And then the suitcase is Away. Away is my favorite suitcase brand that ever exists, specifically the aluminum ones. Let's check out this room. Quick break in the video because I'm getting ready for the day and I want to show you guys my hack for plump, juicy lips that's non-invasive, and this product has actually gone viral for such a good reason. This product is actually sponsoring this small portion of the video, which I'm so grateful because I love this brand and I'm just grateful for the opportunity as a whole. It is called the Rock Lip Volumizer. I'm going to show you the before of what my lips look like. You know, I'm grateful and blessed to have full lips, but I love getting a little bit of help to really like blur those lines in my lips, give me a full juicy pout that looks amazing under a lip combo. Okay, so here is the lip volumizer and it actually is quite clear, like a regular lip balm. Application is super easy. You just apply on your top and bottom. I'm gonna look over here at the mirror. You literally just apply it like a regular lip balm. It also does feel really hydrating on the lips. Once you apply it, you just have to wait for 3 minutes. I'm gonna check back in and we're gonna see the state of my lips. Be right back. And this is the after. I've waited a few minutes. My lips actually look plumper. They feel plumper as well. And I know I'm not making it up because it is clinically proven. 90% saw fuller, plumper lips with 48 hours of hydration in 3 minutes, just like I did. I love a plump lip. It makes me feel so satisfied when I'm doing my makeup and my lip combo. Again, this is the Rock Lip Volumizer. You should definitely try it for yourself. So we have the door over here. When you turn this way, it is a full length mirror, which I always appreciate in a hotel. It's a very good size. Something beautiful about Vancouver is that they're not tiny hotel rooms like places like New York. We have a TV here. We have some stuff laying around. And then this is the view. Just wait for it. Look at that. That is just stunning. This makes me realize how lucky I am to live in Vancouver, and I'm so grateful to live in the city because what do you mean we have the ocean, but we also have mountains right behind it. And then if you turn this way, it's a city view. We are on Cordova Street. I don't even know, but that is downtown Vancouver. And then you look over here and it is the ocean. Like I said before, we're here with Fairmont and House Concepts for their wellness staycation. They left some goodies here, which is so sweet. They did not have to do that. But we have some Grown Alchemist, which is a brand that I love. This is a body cleanser, and I'm assuming this is moisturizer, body lotion. They sent something from Baze, this bag. Very cute, bright green, yellow. They also have this box here, which let's open her up. I don't really know what Design Me is. Oh, shoot. Oh, what is this? Styling stick, hairspray. Okay, Design Me is hair. I've never heard of this brand before. Stunning. Okay, let's move on because there's more, you guys. This is a bed. We have something from Pandora left. I will open that up in a second. If you walk into the bathroom this way, it is quite the spacious bathroom. They left a ton of goodies as well. Shower is massive. Love a shower with a seat. They left a bunch of stuff here too. We have Suna, which is a matcha brand that I've heard of before. They specifically do protein matcha. They left some Sol de Janeiro, which I've used this scent before. Love it. Some Rare Beauty. We have a liquid blush and a highlighter. They left this bag from Baze, which actually might just become my new tech bag because this is gorgeous and it's black. And y'all know I love I'll block everything. And the start of the show, they left this LED light mask, which I'm so excited about. I'm gonna use this tonight. Some cosmetics from brands that I already know and love. First of all, Hourglass. They left the oil, which is one of my top 3 Hourglass products ever. I love this treatment oil so much. It is pricey, but it makes you feel so good. They brought a cleansing balm. That is great news for me. A cream from L'Occitane and a night oil as well. And something that I love personally about the Fairmont is that they stock all Le Labo products. They actually do the scent Rose 31. It is a scent that I now link to the Fairmont anytime I smell it. It is incredible. As you can see, they also stock like the cleanser, the shampoo, the conditioner with the Labo Rose 31 as well. My room, I have a workout in about 30-40 minutes. So I'm honestly gonna edit this footage because I really wanna get it out as fast as I can. And then we're gonna go work out together. I'll take you guys to my workout. It is now time for the workout. I'm just gonna head down, but I wanna show you my OOTD. You guys, I have been really in my weightlifting era and I've been seeing so many positive changes with my body. Like my arms, tell me you can't see some definition, okay? I've just been feeling really confident and seeing these changes has made me so much more motivated to actually go to training and go to workout and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to do this workout. I don't know what has changed in me. I used to dread working out, but now I just feel so excited. Full fit, Lululemon. Again, y'all know I'm Canada down. We have a tank top, we have some flare leggings, and then I'm gonna put on this jacket. This is like a high neck bomber coat style. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I have some girlfriends who are also on this trip. They are rooming together, but I have my own room, which is honestly kind of best of both worlds. I feel like I love that I'm able to film and hang out with you guys when I'm alone, and then when I'm going to the workout, Nordic spa, blowouts, being able to be social there is really fun. But I'm an extrovert, but I still need time by myself. Okay, let's go work out. You guys, that was so difficult. So difficult, but we did it. I feel good. We are in the sauna right
She
now.
has her sunglasses. She's ready.
Oh, yeah, why do I have, she's a bougie gal. I roll in all my jewelry, everything. There are wellness like shots in the arm. Kind of scary. Red light therapy. There is a pool. There's a hot tub. We're just really in our wellness glow up era for the next 24 hours.
Period.
Yes.
guys, this is the finished blowout. What I will say is that it's good enough, and that is a win. That is a win. I don't want that to sound negative at all. If you are a black woman watching this, a curly girl watching this, you know how difficult it is to walk into a hair salon and not see any other people with textured hair or any other black folks. I'm just gonna go in and fix up those little bits, but otherwise, you guys, I'm happy. Yeah, like yes, you see how that just goes in and smooths it all out? I use the Dyson Corral as my... Hello? Who's calling me? That is all I'll do for now. We're gonna get into the glam, which is my favorite part, the most fun part. I am vlogging while Blake's on the phone. And I think I'll just do time lapse so you guys can watch me because I am running a little bit late. Say we look really good. Let's get into the outfit. Ooh, perfume of the night though. We are using Dior Addict in the shade. Do you see how my voice just changes when I have full glam on? I feel confident. This is Dior Addict in the shade Rosy Glow. Rosy Glow. Music playing, so I can't make this long, but I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you next Sunday.